Good day everyone. I am Jordan Salgante and I am group mates with Rafael Louis and Joshua Matutino. So this is our second math game, which is one of the most simple games that we made so far. So dito sa part na to, I'll be explaining to you guys kung ano yung mga nasa folder na to, of course, and also yung part ng ano namin, ng code namin to make the game playable. And also, I will be playing it mamaya para makita ninyo. So, dito sa part na to, so ito lang yung scenes niya, no? Sample scene lang yan. Makita nyo mamaya kung ano lang yung default background lang niya. And then, of course, yung text mesh natin. Yung, ito yan. Makita nyo dyan, guys. Ayan. Tapos ito. So, ayun yung text mesh natin. So, meron tayong fonts, yung mga resources niya, shaders. So, again, that's the default part. Dito magkakatalo doon sa ating code. Ito, makikita nyo dito. So, yun yung code namin for the math game. So, play natin siya para makita ninyo. So, yeah. Patulad sabi ko, default lang siya na background, simple background. And then, dito sa part ito yung text is the question. Ito yung score mo. Kung ilang mistakes ka, so you have 3 lives. So, subukan natin, no? 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. So far we have 3 scores. Tatlo yung score natin. 3 minus 11 is negative 8. Ayan. 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. And then try natin yung mali. Ayan. So mali yun. 1 na. Again, and then game over. So yun yung second game namin for the math game. So yun lang po. Thank you.